Hey folks, we are going to take a follow-up look at this conductor head. This is your conductor head. This is Scupper. You remember yesterday we were taking a look at the roof. It's just jam-packed with roots and trees and dirt and leaves and worms and ants and all the rest of that fun stuff. Anyway, this is the conductor head. There's the back of it. This is where all the debris sits. It never gets painted. You can see that's all galvanized. And of course, inside, rusty, outside, disintegrated. This is just what happens with the water sitting in there being wet all the time. It's old, it's brittle, it's deteriorating. Now, this is your scupper. The metal's very thin, it's starting to perforate on the bottom. They should cut this and bend it down as a tab so it would drain better. But you're also seeing wall stucco back here, big cracks. And this, the stucco, you can see the stucco's been repaired multiple times. It's been repaired up here, and you look like you're getting some water in here now. But also where this building is, it's an old 1920s building, and it is terracotta block. Something that they used to use old. It's basically a clay block, and water's getting in here. So this hole is it's an opening, and the water is getting in here. And the terracotta block it's not quite porous, but it will suck it up. It's basically clay, and it's hardened clay, so the water will get down here, eventually work its way in. Now, it's better than a frame building, but still, water is not good getting in here. It's going to cause the stucco to delaminate, fall off, and it's going to cause moisture issues inside the building. So again, maintenance is the key. You just got to make sure you're diligent once a year, twice a year, maybe even 3 times. You have a big canopy over your building like this, and these, if they're not maintained, you'll get water all the way down. So it's important from the top down to keep going all the way. So just give us a call, folks. We'll take care of it for you.